by Raymond Cattell. Raymond Cattell was born on March 20, 1905, in a small town in England. He developed an interest in science early on in life and went on to become the first person from his family to attend college, earning his BS in chemistry from the University of London when he was just 19. After witnessing the devastation of World War I, Cattell developed an interest in using science to solve human problems. He was also influenced by other thinkers of the time, including George Bernard Shaw, Aldous Huxley, and H.G. Wells. He earned his Ph.D. in psychology from the University of London in 1929. After teaching for a few years at Exeter University, Cattell was invited to teach at Columbia University by pioneering psychologist Edward Thorndike. In 1938, he became a professor at Clark University, and in 1941, he moved to Harvard after being invited by Gordon Allport. In 1945, Cattell took a position at the University of Illinois where he established a research department. At the time, the school was developing a pioneering computer that allowed Cattell to conduct factor analysis on a much larger scale than was previously possible. In 1973, Cattell retired from the University of Illinois and eventually settled in Hawaii, where he continued to teach, write, and enjoy his lifelong passion for sailing. He died on February 2, 1998. Cattell also developed the concepts of fluid and crystallized intelligence. Fluid intelligence is the ability to think abstractly, solve problems, and recognize patterns and is unrelated to knowledge and experience. Logic games tend to evaluate fluid intelligence, and most IQ tests evaluate both. Crystallized intelligence, by contrast, is a direct result of learning and experience. Vocabulary, mastery of a foreign language, and learning mathematical formulas are examples of crystallized intelligence. Crystallized intelligence increases with age, while fluid intelligence decreases. In addition to his research in personality, motivation, and intelligence, Cattell's work with multivariate analysis left a lasting mark on psychology. While earlier research in psychology had focused on studying single variables in isolation, Cattell pioneered the use of multivariate analysis that allowed researchers to view individuals as a whole and study aspects of human behavior that could not be studied in a lab setting. Cattell is well known for his 16 personality factors, in which he and numerous colleagues utilized factor analysis to identify 16 different fundamental components of personality. He subsequently developed the 16-PM personality questionnaire, which is still widely used today. Method of observation. Cattell emphasized that research should evaluate cultural, genetic, physiological, and familial factors, and it must be drawn from three domains which are: Number 1. Life data, the collection of information from a person's everyday life, including their reaction to life circumstances and usual behavior. Number 2. Questionnaire data, a subject's self-reported personality traits and behaviors. Questionnaires enable researchers to discern subtle viewpoints and justifications for behaviors that are otherwise challenging to uncover. Number 3. Testing/experimental data, a subject's reactions to standardized experiments.